How to download presentation from tome.ai. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up a web browser and go to tome.app. So once you're on this website, you want to make sure you have logged into your account. Now, if you don't have a presentation already, then you can create one. So for that, click on this create button. Once you do that, you can create a presentation using all of these tools. So if you want to create a presentation, simply write down the topic, then press enter, and in just a couple of minutes, a presentation is going to be ready. So here you can check out your presentation. As you can see, there are different pages here and different outlines and pictures as well. So if you like this presentation and you want to download it, there's a very simple process for that. You want to click on these three dots that you can see. And now you want to click on the option that says export to PDF. But the thing is, you need to upgrade your account to Pro for this. So just click on this option and you're going to find the option to upgrade to Pro. So you can find the other benefits for upgrading to Pro as well, and it costs you $8 per month. So you can simply upgrade your account and then download this presentation. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.